Hey Trace, how are we all doing? I just apologize straight away for not putting this out earlier and also not making a screenshot available on Twitter. I think I did, but it wasn't great because I can't get FX Trade on mobile. So FX Trade, it allows me to risk exactly the money amount that I want. So I'm risking $10 on this, just a small $500 account. This was originally 5,000. I had it in a managed account. I won't go into details about that. Ended up losing $100 on it. So here's the entry now. I'll let this candle play out to around 1 a.m. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's not looking. That candle right there is not looking great, honestly. I mean, the move would have been the high of this candle here. That candle there, what was the high of that candle there? 72. What about the close? Sorry, the close of the candle, 71.89. So, and we're currently trading at 71.98. So, I might revise it to the high of that candle there, but then I'm sort of chasing it though at 72.10, and then I'd add another 5 pips. So that's the current situation on this, guys. It's first trade of 2018, and I will probably be taking this on the demo account as well, just to compare executions and things like that as well. So just wanted to show that to everyone. If you're not familiar, here is FX Trade. I'm not paid by Oanda or anything like that. This was recommended to me. So there we go, guys. And it is good, especially if you're looking to risk 2% exactly. You can do that with this platform. So there it is, guys. Oanda FX Trade, especially helpful if you've got a small account. And for me, I trade with a wider stop. I mean, the stop's down at 71.27, entry at 70, so it's over 100 pips as well. Okay, so if you're using the standard lot sizing and if you use wider stops, it's hard to actually get that small dollar amount of risk, which is what I'll be doing, especially with a small account. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. I will keep this updated on Instagram as well with my Instagram stories, which is scottystrading. And I will, if it is triggered tonight by 1 a.m., I will put out a video on that as well. Bye for now, guys. Happy trading and good luck.